If you're a real estate agent and you're thinking about setting up an LLC, I'm here to tell you it's absolutely essential in forming your business. We're going to talk about the benefits of setting up an LLC. You're not going to want to miss this video. Real estate agents are independent contractors. They're 1099 self-employed. There's a lot of upside financially when it comes to real estate, which is a major advantage, and that's why people get into the field, because the money potential is there. Well, that's why we want to go over 3 benefits having an LLC, because there's a lot of risk if you don't have an LLC. For example, a homeowner can actually come after a real estate agent and sue them, and you could be held liable financially if you don't have an LLC. So we're going to give you 3 benefits to explain why you need an LLC. Benefit number 1 is tax flexibility. When you have an LLC, you actually reduce your chances of being audited from the IRS. So that's great. Another tax flexibility is you actually are paying less taxes to the federal government and at a state level when you have an LLC. Now, I'm not a tax expert by any means. You definitely want to check with an accountant as to what the taxes are, but you are paying less taxes having an LLC versus just filing as a 1099. So that's one massive benefit reason why you should have an LLC. Benefit number 2 is you have the ability to separate business from personal finances. A lot of real estate agents, what they'll do is they'll start making purchases related to real estate underneath their personal card. Then what happens is you don't actually remember what those purchases are, and you don't actually use those as tax write-offs at the end of the year that you actually legitimately can use because they are related to your real estate business. So you have to keep track of receipts, and then you're having to keep track of like certain purchases. It gets very complicated when the business and personal is run together. When you have an LLC, you can actually go to the bank and get a business credit card, debit card, checking, savings, you name it. So that keeps it very easy financially to keep track of all your things related to business when you're using your card for that. So that's a massive reason why you need to get an LLC. The third benefit of having an LLC is raising the professional credibility. When a client is looking to purchase one of the largest things of their lives, they're going to want a professional, an expert. They're going to have more trust in somebody when they see an LLC on a business card or on a contract. So it instantly gives you that credibility. This person's thinking, this person's a professional, they're successful, they know what they're doing. And think about it from a listing agent's perspective. If they see that on the contract that you have an LLC, they're going to think the exact same kind of things. This isn't a new person off the street. It helps you stand out. Okay? I appreciate you stopping by today, and I hope you guys found this video informative and you took some things away. LLCs provide a lot of great benefits besides what I covered. So make sure you meet with an accountant and an attorney to understand why to set it up, how to set it up. It's very easy to do. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm Kobe Sway with Inspiring Agent. I hope to see you in the future. Thanks for stopping by.